What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Esther Shanae, back in the juice pack. And if you have a pulse, then you know that Kanye West finally dropped his new album, The Life of Pablo. And as you can imagine, him dropping his long-awaited album broke the internet in half. And I wish I could play it for you guys, but that would get me in all types of copyright trouble. So I have for you a compilation of tweets from his most loyal fans on Twitter. One person tweets, "Thank you, Kanye. This is the best." Wait a minute. Y'all don't have to be so nasty. Y'all better hush up and enjoy these tweets. Well, we're about to get out of here, but I hope you guys enjoyed Kanye's fan tweet. And as always, go down in the comments and let us know what you think. Don't be shy. Give us your opinions. And if you would like more juice all the time, subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date about what's going on. All right, that's it for us, you guys, and we are out of here.